more powerful than a Shelby Cobra GT, faster than a Bobby Orr Slapshot, able to leap tall buildings in a single bound or two. It's Captain Lightning, the world's mightiest superhero. Today we find Captain Lightning, cleverly disguised as Tobias Trashbin, a lowly janitor, working hard at the offices of Done, and Almost Done, where trouble is afoot.
Oh, I just can't do this deal. The banks can't approve it fast enough, and all my private contacts don't have the money right now. I guess I'll have to call the client back and tell her I can't do the deal. Can't do the deal. Can't do the deal.
This looks like a job for Captain Lightning. Ta-da!
Captain Lightning, what are you doing here?
Never fear, citizen. I'm Captain Lightning, and I'm here to save the day.
But how are you going to help me? I need to get financing approved for this deal in just 48 hours and have money to the client in just 5 days.
Oh, well, what? Yes, I believe I can help. Give me that file.
Are you sure?
And I'm off. Captain Lightning to the rescue.
Can Captain Lightning get approval in time? Is the mortgage broker doomed? Who is the mysterious Ernie Underwriter? Stay tuned for the exciting conclusion on The Adventures of Captain Lightning.